Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am in Springfield, Missouri at the 32nd Annual Lawn and Garden Show. And I found Clyde and Ann from Clyde's Garden Planner, and I wanted to share this really awesome creation that is gonna make gardening so much easier for everybody all across the country. So, let me introduce you.
I'm Ann Majerus.
And I'm Clyde Majerus. We're in a small farm just a little north of Springfield, Missouri. And I've developed a very handy vegetable planting slide chart that you might like to have. Can I show it to you there?
Please do.
Okay. The chart operates off the average last frost date, and it slides, so the chart will work all over the country. If you're in Louisiana, it's down in February, and if you're in Wisconsin, it's up in June. Here in our area, mid-Missouri, we slide it to mid-April. Once it's in place, each column is a week, and it gives you the first outdoor planting dates, the indoor seedling dates, and the expected harvest dates, all in a time-phased format on a horizontal calendar. It's great for planning. You can stand here in February and look ahead 3 weeks, and look ahead 6 weeks, look ahead 9 weeks. Nice view for planning. The chart also, pull it open, and it gives you the seeds per 10-foot row, the planting depth, the distance between rows and between plants so that you don't pack things in too tight, the sunlight requirements in case you have shaded areas of your lawn, the minimum soil temperature. You can get a cheap thermometer from like Walmart or somewhere. Test your soil, make sure it's not too cold for your seeds, where the seeds will die. The expected yield, how many pounds of green beans will I get from a 10-foot row? And the natural companions for companion planting, where when you plant them side by side, they nourish one another under the ground. This is the spring side of the chart. If you want to do a fall garden, you flip it over, slide it to your fall frost date, and it gives you the last planting week to have a nice fall garden. And you don't have to know your frost dates because the instructions come with the frost dates for the United States and Canada on the back. You don't have to call anybody. And we've been selling the chart for about 22 years and sold about 300 and some thousand of them. People are using them all over the country. And thank you, Bree, for sharing the chart with your followers.
This is like a game changer. I have struggled to give advice to people outside of my region. You know, I live in Raleigh, North Carolina.
Okay.
And people from Wisconsin will ask, well, when should I do this seeding?
I'm from Wisconsin.
And you have just given the answer. And how can people buy this?
Well, we have a website, and they can come and click and purchase and use PayPal or a credit card. There's also some valuable information on the website, so it's not just a source for the chart, but also for gardening ideas. And you can also purchase it on Amazon. It's a little bit more expensive, but we're glad to have you get it there if you'd like. Mm-hmm.
Always support the founder of the company, y'all. Go to his website.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I'm just so thrilled to have met you.
It's very nice to meet you too, Bree.
This is such a handy tool for gardeners everywhere to have access to. And I'm going to be referring to it as soon as I get home.
All right. Well, maybe I could give you a couple of them to hand out.
I would love that. Thank
Okay,
you.
good. Yeah, very good.
Well, everybody, be sure to check out Clyde's Garden Planner. I know that it is going to be an important resource for you as you get into the spring gardening season. And as always, thanks so much for watching, everybody.